How to sign up and create an account on Deepseek. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to create an account on Deepseek. Without further ado, let's begin. First, launch a web browser. Click search bar. Now type in deepseek.com and press enter on your keyboard. You will land on this section. Simply click on the start now button. Now you are on the sign up page. Simply, you need to click on sign up link at bottom right corner underneath login button. Now enter all the credentials like your email address, password, confirm the password and you will get the code. So you can click on send code and code will appear into that, and then you need to check mark the box to confirm that you have read all the consent and agree to DeepSeek's terms of use and privacy policy. Then click on sign up button, and as you can see that we have successfully came across this Deepseek section. So now you can easily make a search with Deepseek. So I hope this guide was helpful to create your profile on Deepseek. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.